Hello and welcome to the basic E chord video. In this lecture I'm going to teach you how to play E major and I'm going to teach you how to play E minor. How it's built and how to comfortably play on all over the piano. So let's begin. E major is going to be E, G sharp, and B. You play them all together, E, G sharp, and B with 1, 3, 5. You're going to make the major triad for E. So we play it like this, and then we move up to G sharp, B, E. So from E, G sharp, B to G sharp, B, E. And the fingers are going to be 1, 2, 5. And then we're going to move up again. So the B is the bass, so B, E, G sharp, yeah. 1, 3, 5, and move up again to E. E, G sharp, B. And now we're going to go up to G sharp, to B, to E. And we're going to go down from E to B, to G sharp, to E. Now, when you feel comfortable playing one octave with your right hand as the major, we're going to move on to the left hand to play the same major. Once you feel comfortable playing your right hand, we're going to do the same with the left. So we're going to put our pinky on E, middle finger on G sharp, and your thumb on B. Play until you can feel it with your left hand. It's comfortable. Then you move on for your pinky to G sharp, B, E, then B, E, G sharp, and E, G sharp, B. It's the same notes for the right hand. You just have to get used to for the left hand. So the E is the bass, then you go to as B is the bass, go down to G sharp is the bass, and back to E is the bass. So play one octave until you feel really comfortable with the left hand. So now once your right hand is comfortable, your left hand is comfortable, we could put them together and play them with two hands. So we play the first triad with the E as the bass. Then we move up to G sharp. Then we move up to B. Then we move up to E. And that is one octave. And then we go down from E to B to G sharp and to E. Good. When you are comfortable playing one octave with two hands, now we're going to go for 4 octaves from the left to the right, up and down 25 times. There you go. That was E major, which is half of the lecture. Now we're going to move on to E minor. We play E major, and we're going to move on the third step, down half a step, and mix it into an E minor. So your fingers are going to be 1, 3, 5 on E, G, and B. Then we will move up, so you're 1, 2, 5, and your thumb is on G, B, E. Move up again, so your thumb is on B, third finger is on E, and then fifth finger is on G, and move up again as the normal triad minor as E, G, and B. Play it as your bass is E, then you go down to B, go down to G, and down to E. That is the octave, one octave for the E minor chord. So you go up and go down. Play right hand until you feel comfortable. And now we're going to switch to the left hand. Same notes, same fingerings. So we go to E as the bass, G as the bass, B as the bass, 1, 2, 5 fingers here, and then E as the bass. We're going to play E, then B, then G, and then E. Once you feel comfortable with the left hand, then we're going to put together, play one octave. So we go E as the bass, G as the bass, B as the bass, and then E. Play E, B, G, and E. Once you played one octave with both hands and you're feeling pretty good, then we can move on to play 4 octaves from left to right, bottom to top, up and down, 25 times. There you go. That is the E major and the E minor for the basic E chords video. Thank you for watching, and let's move on to the next chord.